Hello Ji, Namaste, a warm welcome from Jigisha. Last year we made tricolour brooch from cotton buds. We sisters can enjoy tricolour jewelry and other accessories every 15th of August. But this year even our brothers can flaunt tricolour Rakhis on their wrists. As this year Rakshabandhan falls on 15th of August. Now that's a great coincidence, isn't it? So let's make a tricolour Rakhi with painted cotton swabs. Let's start right away. Grab a glitter sheet, mark a circle on it and then cut it. Let's attach a string. This is a self-adhesive glitter sheet, so just peel off the sticker and place the string. Open the sticker just halfway and then close it this way. Press it properly. We'll need one more small circle of glitter sheet. Stack it on the bigger circle. And now it's time to color the cotton buds. For painting, I have used Fevicryl's neon colors. This small little packet has both colors of my interest, green and saffron. Keep the green color aside for a while. And let's use the saffron color first. Pour a little in the lid of the bottle and then grab a bundle of cotton buds. Gently tap them on a plain surface so that all the earbuds are at the same level. Now dip these into the color and all of them will get painted in one go. And now it's time to paint these cotton buds with green color. Use a regular paint brush to paint these cotton buds. This way paint all the other cotton buds in green and let them dry. Now these are ready to be trimmed. Cotton buds or earbuds are also known as cotton swabs or Q-tips. Cut one at a time or more as per your wish. Quickly apply glue and paste these in a circular fashion. Cotton buds come with an expiry date. So instead of disposing these, you can use them in various crafts. Finally, decorate it with flat back crystals and ball chains of your choice. And we are ready to go. Our tricolour Rakhi for the year 2019 is ready. Happy Rakshabandhan!